Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2012 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, stability control, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, speed proportional power steering. Your new ride is just a phone call away.